Smoked his subs in this demo.
At first I thought that was all, and you turned up a little. Like
Electronics, AAK 20K, 90 amp hour of C-Max.
Wow.
Single alt. It's a little hurt right now, but we're doing what we can on battery.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
JP34.
Did you build this?
Yes, sir.
Wow. That's a pretty big box, really tall.
Yeah, it was actually, we built it from an enclosure that didn't fit in here, a slide-in wall. We just kind of disassembled it.
Yeah.
That's what this is part of the loading wall and that.
Okay.
Yep.
Use that for actually on your roof work.
Yeah, yeah.
I like all your braces, that helps a lot.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, it definitely helps.
How many cubes is in this in your tuning, if you remember?
It's around 21 after displacement.
Okay. Oh, I see this. The top layer is really smooth. Nice.
Yeah, it's got the same epoxy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Any kind of SPL test you done on it?
Just here and there. The last burp I did on it was a 58.1 at 34.
Wow, that's pretty good. And your box is pretty much built almost into the vehicle, it looks like, after everything's reinforced.
Yeah.
Okay. Is the ratchet straps holding the box or the back hatch?
Back hatch and door to door.
Okay.
Yeah.
Keep it from flexing as much as you can. Whew. Be sure to give them a like.
Smoked his subs in this demo.
Whew.
Rosticles Kick Tested Mother Approved.
tremendous.
I gave you all of it.
Wow, I appreciate it. At first I thought that was all, and you turned up a little, I'm like, oh my gosh, man. That's brutal for a no wall. Woo.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop